of the cities, corporate takeover, which is what's really going on. So, knowing that you're an American, that puts you in a whole nother status than being a U.S. citizen. The box we always check when they throw a document in our face. You never see American on the damn document, or that you're gonna fill out, check the box. It's never there. They don't want you to know that's what you really are. See, this is the land of the free and home of the brave. A brave is a young Indian, a young indigenous male, and went through initiation. This is your house. They tell you and all. They sing about us. They sing about us. They talk about us. But we never recognize that this is who we are. So, after slavery, they ran the game on us. The game was being played before slavery with the original Constitution. Now, the original Constitution of 1789 was a constitution that came about after the Treaty of Peace and Friendship of 1787 between the Moors, North Africa, South America, and these Europeans that had been here for a few hundred years. Cooler heads prevailed around that time, and we came up with a treaty that laid foundation for the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution of 1787 to come about. So, literally, your rights lie, our rights, the people's rights, is what I'm talking about, in this original Constitution. Now, a lot of folks don't know that there's another Constitution that they run a game on. So this original Constitution is for the people. It's called the Constitution for the United States of America. It's for the people. You remember how you pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the Republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible. You know what I'm saying? But did you hear me say democracy? No, you didn't hear me say democracy. See, this game being played on us, and we don't know. All day long on TV, you hear democracy this, democracy that. Like this is motherfucking democracy. This is a republic for which it stands. I quote. And so, after slavery, got let go 1865, January 1st. 6 years later, 1871, here they come with the game, I should say. Game time, right? Another constitution, the Constitution for a municipal corporation for the District of Columbia. The one y'all be voting for, dying for, getting in folks' ass for because they don't vote and shit. But that second constitution is a fraudulent and corporate constitution. It has nothing to do with the people. It has to do with corporations and their employees. So when you vote for that and expect to get a remedy out of that, they shooting us in the back down in cold blood, they fearing for their life and shit, and we running away. And we go to court and we can't get no justice, wonder why. Because they done slipped the thick joke in the deck. It's another constitution y'all voting for. Y'all ain't voting for the original constitution. Been played, been had, you been hoodwinked. So there ain't no remedy in the corporate constitution. And did you hear me say municipal corporation? That's the Act of 1871. And don't believe a damn thing I say, check it out. Check it out. That way you know what I'm talking about is true. Or not. But don't believe shit I say. The Act of 1871, check that out. The Act to create a municipal corporation for the District of Columbia. That's what y'all voting for. And that's the reason we don't have any rights. It's the reason we go to jail. The reason we pay taxes. Because y'all voting for that damn Constitution. You voting to be U.S. citizens when you're an American. When you're an American, you have full rights and value that goes with it. When you're a U.S. citizen, you're telling folks that you are an immigrant from somewhere else. You need to come over here to get something going. And so you have to follow the Constitution, uphold the Constitution, take the oath. You ever took an oath? Talk to all my brothers and sisters out there, old and young. You ever took an oath? Be a U.S. citizen? Hell no, because you ain't. You're an American. But you act like one. And so therefore, we all suffer and we act like we don't have rights. And they act like we don't have rights. Because we said we don't want them. So, 1871, they changed the game. 6 years after they let us go. 13th Amendment, the abolishment of slavery, except for imprisonment. People don't read the whole thing. It should just say abolishment of slavery, but it says except for imprisonment after being duly processed in their courts. So we weren't even in the jurisdiction until the 14th Amendment, hot on the heels of the 13th coming into play, and give us equal protection under law. You read it, talk about judicial persons and juristic fucking persons. Where the hell you deal with any kind of judicial anything? So they made us a judicial or juristic person so we can have equal protection under the law. And so the only time you deal with judicial anything is going to damn court, going to jail. So the 13th Amendment freed us. The 14th Amendment put the game out to get us back into prison. Prison is slavery. Abolishment of slavery except for imprisonment. Check it out. So we shouldn't be going. We in our house. So this is what's going on. This what y'all voting for is we call the United States as a corporation. It's a bankrupt corporation. Went bankrupt in 1933. All that slave money, 400-something years of slave money. Didn't even hold on to it for 100 years. Let go in 1865. By 1933, they were broke and bankrupt and in need. And so they run some more game. So what they did, they called an emergency banking holiday on March of that year, March 9th, specific. So people realized some shit was going on. The government was messing up the money. So people were making a run on the banks to get their money out the banks. Shut the banks down so the people couldn't get their money out. They called it emergency banking holiday. And then on June 5th, 1933, they went into bankruptcy.